Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I'm in the workshop today and I'm making a aerial, but how do you keep a long wire aerial, but how do you keep this all from getting tangled up? And it's a multi-band HF shortwave aerial, covers quite a few bands including the 40, 60 and 80 metre band, and it's going to be like an inverted V aerial, so it's end fed, half wave with a Balun, and but how do you keep all this cheapy wire from getting tangled and make it easier? And I'm building this thing and I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a lump of plastic like this, not very pretty, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with it when I've trimmed this off and sanded it, so you can see what I'm doing. So what is this contraption I'm making? Well, it's messy anyway, and it's coming on, but you really got to wait to the end and you can see what it is, and I'll include some links to other videos of people making them as well. Not quite the same as I'm making this one, but a similar idea. Okay, so what is this got to do with aerials? Well, very simply, this lot has to be wound on something so it doesn't tangle up. So this is where the guy rope goes, with the end insulator, and where the Balun goes. This is where the 40 metre aerial goes. This is where the Y piece goes for the centre of the aerial. This is the 60 metre aerial cable goes, and then there's another insulator, I think it is, then the 80 metre, another insulator, and then on that round there will be like the guideline, because it would be an inverted V aerial. So yeah, so let's see if I can get that wire on here. Okay, so this is a plastic thing I've been making, and this is my interpretation of a U01 emergency communication antenna for the 80, 60, 40, 20, 17, 15, 10 metre end fed half wave aerial. I can't take the credit for this. There's a guy called DL2 Delta Lima 2 MAN on YouTube, who built one of these, and I've sort of been following his idea, how he done his. Mine's different. I put it on this like former just to keep all the cables tidy, but just to go through it, this is just a rope on the end. It then goes to the first insulator, which connects to my Balun like that. Imagine this the aerial, so that's my Balun. That's the 40 metre length of the 40 metre band length of wire, with harmonics for the other bands. Centre support point there, so it's 40 metre. Connector to plug the next length of wire in, which will give you the 60 metre band. The next lump of wire will go in here, which will give me the 80 metre band. There's another insulator there, and these are links to link in the length of wire. And on the end will be some more like guy rope on here, and then this will sit on a centre pole about 6 to 10 metres up, as it's inverted V type aerial configuration. I'll put links in the description of how to find how to make the whole aerial, not by me though, and I can't thank this guy enough. Delta Lima 2 MAN, and I'll put a small clip of his video in at the end so you can see what the guy looks like and also about his aerial.
Let's jump right into it. Tom, Delta Juliet 5 Romeo Echo, published his original work in the Funk Amateur magazine in number 6 of year 21. I did not want to hurt their copyright, so I made my own drawing here, which I will walk you through real quick. The Uniform 01 emergency radio antenna is basically just an end-fed half wave. But by simply adding some connectors in between, we cover a lot of bands.